Hey guys, now I'm gonna do a little update because there is a big lag of videos because I was that busy and on holiday and yes. So at first I do an OOTD. This is Elias with his head and the outfit from Next. The lines, yes. And he has his cute mouse that I made by myself. Yes, and he's so cute in this outfit. Yay. And here's Lily in her new outfit. This cute dress and the onesie. I bought it in Italy and it says Ma Petite. I don't know what it means, but it's cute with this dress. So yes, she is. And she wears his little Hello Kitty clip. So yes, and you can see my bed changed. I get a new one. Yes, and so my nursery changed also. And I hope you guys request videos so I can do some. So yes, and here they are. So bye guys.